CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Explain the purpose of common internal computing components. Motherboard. A motherboard is the main circuit board in a computing device that connects and allows communication between all the other computing components. Another way of saying that is to refer to the motherboard as the backbone that ties a computer's components together. Without it, none of the computer's components could interact. It sits at the heart of the system and all other components must align with it in terms of compatibility. Though not as common, you may hear a motherboard described as a system board. The motherboard will have built-in functions, like basic graphics support, audio support, and network adapters. It will also offer a range of sockets, slots, and ports to connect all the other components that are needed to make a fully functioning compute device. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.